Good morning, students. Today we are going to do an activity. The name of the activity is Spell Bee activity. So, what we are going to do, beta? We will be having two spellings for each word. Okay, and we will find the correct word. To start with, the very first word is poison. So, there are two spellings for the word poison. So, let's find out which is the correct and which is incorrect. So, Poison, Poisen. So, the spelling of poison is Poison. So, this is correct one and this is incorrect one. Okay, students, this is correct and this is incorrect. Let's take another. The another word is crumbled. So there are two spellings for this word. Zrumbled, crumbled. Grambled, again grumbled. So let's guess which is the correct spelling. So yes, you are right. This is correct. Zrumbled. This is the correct spelling. And Zrambled, this is incorrect. Okay, students. Let's take another one. The another word is story. So, the word is, the spelling is Story. Another spelling is Storey. So, which is the correct spelling of story? स्टोरी सुनते हैं ना हम सब, अच्छी लगती है. So this is the correct spelling. Story. Story. And this is incorrect. Now let's take another word. The another word is danger. So again there are two spellings. Danger. 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 So tell me which is the correct spelling? Yes, you are guessing right. This is the correct spelling. Danger. Danger. And this is the incorrect. So we will put it here in incorrect box and this I will put here. This is the correct spelling. So we have find many correct spellings here. Now take the example of another word. Village. So yes, Vellage, village. Village. So which is the correct spelling of village? This is the correct spelling. Village. And this is incorrect. And this is correct spelling of village. Village. Now take another word. The name of another word is knife. So there are again two spellings for the word knife. K-N-I-F-I and K-N-I-F-E. So I know you know the answer. K-N-I-F-E, knife is the correct spelling, and this is the wrong. K-N-I-F-I is the wrong spelling for the word knife. So we will put it here, and we will put the right spelling here. Okay, students, I hope you are getting it. There are another words also. The word is yellow. So there are two spellings for the word yellow. One is correct and one is incorrect. So let's find out which is correct and which is incorrect. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, and Y-A-L-L-O-W, yellow. So yes, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow is the correct spelling. And there is the mistake in this spelling. There is A इंस्टेड ऑफ ई, है ना. अगर यहाँ पर ई होता तो ये एक करेक्ट स्पेलिंग होती. सो दिस इज द इनकरेक्ट स्पेलिंग बिकॉज ए इज हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ ई. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ऑफ द वर्ड येलो. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको समझ में आया है कि हम ऐसी मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, है ना. सो वी शुड राइट द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स, क्योंकि अगर ई या फिर कोई भी हम लोग लेटर मिस कर देते हैं या उसमें कोई और ऐड कर देते हैं तो वहीं पर हमारी जो स्पेलिंग होती है वो इनकरेक्ट हो जाती है और उसका मीनिंग भी चेंज हो जाता है. जैसे हमने एक स्पेलिंग ली थी स्टोरी, है ना. स्टोरी की स्पेलिंग होती है STORY, लेकिन अगर हमने इसको STOREY कर दिया है तो ये फिर स्टोरी नहीं है, इसका मीनिंग कुछ और हो जाता है ना. सो दिस इज इट मीन्स कि स्पेलिंग से जो हमारा वर्ड है उसका मीनिंग भी चेंज हो जाता है. सो वी शुड ट्राई टू राइट द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ अवर वर्ड्स. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको समझ में आया है. सो keep learning, keep studying students. Okay students.